Hello, and welcome back to another tutorial on how to purchase Philcoin using your Metamask wallet. For the first step in this process, you will need to purchase some Polygon within Metamask. To do this, log into your Metamask wallet and click the Buy icon in the top left corner. Then select the Buy Crypto with Cash option and enter Polygon token in the search bar. Next, enter the amount in USD that you would like to purchase. Please note that the minimum purchase amount is $21. Then select your preferred payment method to complete the transaction. Once you have selected your desired payment method, click Fetch Rates and complete the rest of the transaction via the payment gateway. If you select Apple Pay, the process will guide you to the payment providers page, where you may need to log in, complete KYC, and then initiate the transaction. Once completed, the purchased Polygon should reflect in your wallet. Now, to swap Polygon for Philcoin, go back to your Metamask wallet, select Polygon, and click Swap. This will prompt you to choose the token you would like to swap your Polygon for. In the search bar, select PHL, and you can now swap your purchased Polygon for Philcoin. Wait a few seconds for the transaction to complete. And the Philcoin should then reflect in your Metamask wallet. And there you go. Those are all the steps you need to purchase Philcoin using your Metamask wallet.